Hello, hi everyone. This is ZDM98, and welcome to the live stream. Today we are live streaming the ongoing weather crisis, rather outbreak along the United States. So let's get right to it. Starting off, there we go. This is live, by the way. So start off tornado warnings. Okay, tornado warnings. We got one tornado warning, and it is currently for the cities of Forsyth and Forsyth and Argentina, and well, looks like Decatur counties in Illinois. You all might be on it too. Let's see here. No, we don't have that. Okay. Satellite. We got Alex. Okay. Let's go ahead and look at. Oh, y'all know you son of a bitch. Anyways, let's go ahead and let's pull up Hascams real quick. See what we can pop up here. Is there any inside of that area? No, there is not. Okay. Reflectivity, velocity. There we go. We want velocity. So inside of that, yeah, I can see where the little tornado thing where they issued tornado warning for. It's right here. This area right here. Okay. That's where if you're in Warrensburg, you guys are good on this. The past few scans have been looking, yeah, they've been looking pretty good. You can see where right here, this whole rotation right there. That's where. Okay, Warrensburg, you guys are good. Okay. Now next up is Forsyth, Oriana. Well, actually, looks like we just got a new scan, and the velocity has gone down a lot on radars. So it looks like we might actually be good. They might actually go ahead and eat. They will either let that tornado warning cancel itself out, or well, I mean, by cancel itself out is let it keep going until they cannot let it until they'll let it expire, basically, or it could ramp up again, and they could issue a new tornado warning, and they can just basically keep sending it all the way up through here. Monticello, Cisco, you guys got about 20-25 minutes before this comes at you, based upon what I've been hearing all day long. And Marina and Argentina, you need to be in your safe spots like now. Like, I don't care what this is next to, you guys need to be in your safe spots now or as soon as possible, because this is right on your doorsteps. This is knocking on your doorstep. Hello, you guys need to be in your safe spot now. Okay. Forsyth, yeah, that is directly over it. I wish we could get in some sort of view. Relation coefficient. Let's see a CC drop on this. Okay, yeah. There's no debris at all. Okay. Yeah, it just updated again. What? Yeah, they're gonna let that expire. It's not really showing much. Yeah, that's where tornado would be right now. It's not showing anything. Let's go fishing. Go back to that. So it's fine. Go back to 5 real quick. Okay, yeah, right there, right there. Okay, Forsyth. Maybe some debris in there. Actually, see it more better. There. Go back to velocity. Okay, velocity. Yeah, that thing's good. Like, you guys are good right now. Uh, they're going. They're probably. If I was National Weather Service, I would probably let that expire. But just be on the safe side, they will keep that tornado warning up until there is no further indication of rotation on radar. Now, as for the rest of this, see this? This is a whole outlook right here. They're preparing to issue tornado warnings right here, tornado watches right here and right here. Now, my dumb butt is right here. So they more than likely will be issuing a tornado watch because the potential for it is 80%. If tornado watch is issued, my weather radio over there will go off as well as everything else will go off, including the TV. So just be on the lookout for that. What we got here, you got Mexico discussion. Look into that. Okay, expires in 25 minutes. Yeah. North Central Indiana concerning severe potential. Watch likely. Probability of watch issuance 80%. A line of severe storms capable of producing embedded tornadoes, damaging winds, and large hail will overspread the area from the west into tonight. One or more watches will likely be issued for parts of the area. One or more watches. Okay, we gotta watch out for that. A broken band of severe storms, including severe embedded supercell structures, is tracking eastward across far eastern Wisconsin, posing an all-hazard severe risk. As an occluded surface front continues eastward, this line of storms and potentially new storms in a prefrontal warm convection plume will overspread western central lower Michigan and north central Indiana over the next few hours. Earlier diurnal heating of a moist boundary layer, God help us all, that what it's still going on in Indiana as we speak. Middle upper 60 dew points beneath steep mid-level lapse rates is contributing to moderate strong surface-based instability. In addition, 40 feet KT of effective shear oriented mostly perpendicular to ongoing convection will support a band of severe storms with embedded supercells and bone structures. Well, here we go. Ample low-level SRH will support embedded tornadoes with damaging winds and isolated large hail also possible. More and more watches will likely be issued for the area. Most probable peak tornado to 250. So we're talking EF2, EF3 tornadoes. And lower end EF4. Most probable peak wind gusts 65, 80 mile per hour. You're talking damaging severe thunderstorm. Peak hail size 2, 3.5 inches. So we're talking baseball to grapefruit size hail stones. That is crazy. Okay. Well, welcome to springtime, America. This is where it's going to get really bad. And coincidentally, severe thunderstorm warning for Chicago has been issued. So this line is going to get really bad really quick. Okay. Now, since we got the radar pulled up, let's go to see what it's looking like here. Oh, we were looking at Indiana that whole time. Shit. Not bad, folks. Okay, we might be able to get an in-depth look at this. Yeah, it's not really showing that much. Let's see here. Reflectivity. Yeah, they're going to let that one expire. They're letting that one expire pretty good. Okay. Reflectivity. Yeah. Okay, so if you are in, let's see here, Decatur County, well, Forsyth, Orina, Argentina, and Cisco County, Argentina counties in Illinois, you need to get in your safe spot now. And Waseca, Illinois, you guys are about to get hit pretty hard too. So watch out for that. Cisco, you got about 5 minutes before this gets to you, maybe 3 to 5 minutes at most. Monticello, you're next. So be prepared for that. Yeah, Cisco, it's on you. It's on you. Monticello, you got about 5 minutes, I'd say, give or take. White Heath, you got 10, 15 minutes tops. DeLand and Weldon, looks like this might actually be headed towards you. Let's check. Okay, that is going below severe limits as we speak. Hang on a second. I gotta get a good look at that. Lost the radar. Okay, right there's where it's showing some signs. Let's see. Okay, yeah, this is going to all be a dangerous severe thunderstorm warning if it's not already, because this is lagging it up real quick. There we go. We got a new tornado warning, folks. We got a new tornado warning. Looks like they just issued it too. Okay, so Oakley, Cerro Gordo, and Bemet counties in Illinois. You guys are now under a tornado warning. And we'll spawn in 35 minutes. National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a tornado warning for southern Piatt County in central Illinois, northern Macon County in central Illinois until 8:30 p.m. At 7:35 p.m., severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Orient, or 7 miles northeast of Decatur, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Oh shit. Tornado on course ICL. Source: Weather Stars reported phone cloud. At 7:50 p.m., phone clouds were reported. Oh shit, multi-vortex tornado talking about here? Clouds were reported near Orienta by Emergency Management and Illinois State Police. The thunderstorm will be near Cerro Gordo around 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Bemet around 8:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Excludes Interstate 72 between mile markers 148 and 150. All right. Well, we got that right. We got that down. Now this is reported. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into correlation coefficient, and we are going to see. Oh, one right there. Okay. That's pretty good. This is live, by the way. So, okay, I can see it. It's right here. Multi-vortex tornado has been reported. So, okay, yeah, we got that one right there. Okay. There's still a mesoscale discussion up for that as far as in 33 minutes, but I want everyone to focus on right now is the area in around Oakley, Cerro Gordo, and Bemet counties in Illinois. That's where we want to keep our focus at right now. Forsyth, Orienta, and Argentina, you guys are still in this, but it is going away from you as we speak. You guys should not be under that tornado warning very much longer. That severe thunderstorm warning will continue on, though, I feel like. Okay, so just stay inside until it's all over. Now, as for Oakley, Cerro Gordo, and Bemet counties in Illinois, you guys need to be watching out because this is going to get nasty in a couple minutes. Bemet, you guys got a few minutes, though. You guys get on it. Get in your safe shelters. Don't come out. Okay? Monticello, you guys are scraping by, but more than likely, you and Cisco will be next in line for these tornado warnings, no matter what, because you guys got nice little rotation couplets right around here. Okay? Now, we don't like those, because those entail tornadoes. See if any debris is dropped. Yeah, right along here. Yeah, everywhere. Okay, well, special tornadoes are on the ground. The National Weather Service should be upgrading this pretty shortly. Oh yeah, that's a big boy. That's a big boy. Maddie Grants, thank you so much for joining. Don't ask how I know, I just do. Welcome to my live stream. Let's have some fun. All right. Monticello, Cisco, you guys are nuts. Don't count. I'm not counting y'all out for shit right now. Yeah. So I just want you guys to stay in your shelters until this is all over. Because right now, as we speak, you guys are under, I'd say, a dangerous thunderstorm alert, more than likely, and you guys are going to stay that way, and more likely get issued a tornado warning pretty soon, within 5 minutes, maybe 1 to 2, 5 if you guys are lucky. Okay, let's see here. And we got some nice rotation couplets here. Frosty. Oh yeah. Oh, those are looking beautiful. Not beautiful for you guys, but beautiful for me. Okay. Yeah. Let's see if this is still radar indicated, it looks like. So it has not been upgraded yet to confirm tornado, but they need to upgrade it pretty soon. Otherwise, it could be a Joplin scenario all over again, folks. It could be a Joplin scenario. They need to upgrade it like now. They also need to upgrade this because right there, that's rotation. Something got caught up in it, and it's trying to drop something. Let's see here. Along the Interstate 48 corridor in Illinois, near DeLand, Combs, and Lodge in Illinois. You guys need to be in your safe shelters now. Something's going on there. I'm not sure if it's a tornado or if it's something else, but you guys need to be in your safe spots now, because that's a really concerning area. And as I said earlier, the tornado warning for Forsyth, Oriana, and yeah, that tornado warning indicator, that tornado warning has been allowed to expire. So it's a severe thunderstorm. So you guys are safe to come out. Just be careful. Now, as for the ongoing tornado and severe thunderstorm warnings for Oriana, Argenta, Cisco, Weldon, DeLand, Whiteheath, Monticello, Bemet, Sierra Gordo, Oakley, Long Creek, and Hammond counties in Illinois, you guys still all need to be in your safe shelters because this is not going to end for a while. Okay? You guys need to be in your safe spot, no matter what. I cannot emphasize this enough. Stay safe today, guys, because it's going to get bad out there. Real bad. Real bad, real quick. Okay. Okay, so we just got a new radar update. It looks like they are still going to continue the tornado warning. See the blue on the radar. Shit's in the air. It shouldn't be in the air, which means that yes, there is a tornado on the ground near Sierra Gordo in Illinois. You guys need to be in your safe spots now, because yeah, right there. You guys need to be in your safe spots as soon as possible. This could go really south real quick. Yep. Okay. Bemet, like I said, they have issued a tornado warning for you. And National Weather Service, why do you do this test? They are still keeping this radar indicated. So, yeah, radar indicated rotation. Yeah. Tornado warning remains in effect. So all they did was they extended this one. They extended it. Now, Mill Mine, Illinois, you guys need to be in your safe spots now. Cisco, you guys need to stay in your safe spots. Lost you. Yeah. Okay. All right. Now, for Bimit and Sierra Gordo, that is looking. Okay, yeah, that's a definite tornado on the ground. There's no way that is not. See how it's wrapping up right there. Yeah, there's stuff in the air that should not be in the air. There's a definite tornado on the ground right now. Yeah, right now. Okay, right there. It's getting wrapped up. It's getting wrapped up, folks. Okay, we're going to continue watching. I need hazard maps. I need it. I need has cams. Spartan network. Let's see. Spartan network. Let's see. There's any spotters in here. Yes, there is. Okay. No, we don't want you. We don't want you. We don't want you. Display view plus navigation. It has cams. Wish we can get some has cams for this area, but unfortunately, there's literally no hazard cams whatsoever. It's ticking me off right now. Okay. So, for this area right here, Health Street, this area, well, this area right here, I did a horrible job of drawing that. But this area right here, y'all need to watch out because this is going to get bad real quick. Yeah. There we go. Okay. Yeah, that area right there. That area right there. Y'all need to watch that area. Because if you're inside that area right now, you're getting slammed by winds. Peaking out, I'd say at probably 110 miles per hour right now. Wind gusts, so those are slamming you right now. I mean, they are slamming into you hard. If you're pulled out the side of the road, great, get in a ditch. All right? Or stay inside your car. Actually, no, that's probably not the best idea either. But just stay put, okay? All right, draw. Trash. Now, we are going back to... Yeah. We're going back to reflectivity mode. Yeah, okay. Okay, this is definitely ramping up. Okay. My guess is it ran into some humid air, and now it's catching the humid air, and it's going. It's going strong now. Okay. Now, as for Indiana. As a scale discussion, severe potential. They are still on the fence about this one. And they still have not upgraded it yet. Okay. Wait a second. Let me go down here. Turn that off. All right, keep it up. All right, so thunderstorms, and showers. Okay. Damn. Lower on what's nice for us. Okay. There we go. Okay. No one cares. No one cares. Wow. First page. Okay. We're using Wendy. All right. Let's see here. 3D.
Oh, shut the fuck up. Ain't no one gave a fuck. I don't really remember. Okay.
3D shit. This real good.
We can't do radar plus. You can only do rain, thunder. Shit. Okay. Never mind. Just go back to 2D at this point. I don't care. Radar plus. Weather radar. Okay, that's what's going on right now.
There you go. There's lightning strikes. Okay.
First group 29.40. Jesus. 29. Oh!
That thunderstorm's got its own pressure drop. Pressure drop right there. This thing right here. It's headed straight into Indiana. All right, let's check on this one. It would seem as though the velocity is showing. So we need more concern about this area right here, right now. Okay. CC drop. Let's see. Oh yeah, right there. Okay. Yeah, we definitely need to worry about. No, wait, what? Yeah, just keep worrying about that. But I feel like 9 times. I feel like right now they're just going to let the tornado warning that's at Bennett County in Ohio. They're just going to let that one expire because this is definitely dropping more below severe limits than severe limits usually allows. So they're more than likely going to let that one expire. Oh, dear. Okay. Don't start dropping now. I don't need you to. Okay. All right, so this one we got the storm dust here in Monticello. Strong winds possible. No duh. I didn't already know that. All right, let's see here. Then we got hail. We got hail core. Hail core within a storm. Okay, that is a bad thing. Strong winds likely. Well, no duh. Okay. Storm reports. Let's go on storm reports. Okay, we got storm reports of a tornado. Come on, bro. Report along I-72 near mile mark 144. Okay. Okay. So back to this one. Yeah, they're not going to upgrade or extend that tornado warning for you guys, so you guys are good. Speaking of which, I do need to go to. Okay, it's not going to worry about that. Okay. Here's what we're dealing with right now. And this is the mesoscale. No, hang on. Go back.
This is the mesoscale they're strongly considering in the area that I live in. So, and they still have not issued a warning for it. My guess is that they are going to either issue a warning for it later this hour, or they are going to go ahead and issue it sometime later tonight. Hopefully, I'll still be up for it. Okay, let's go ahead and look at tomorrow's for moderate Friday. Okay, so tornado. We are under a hatch area 10%. That's Indianapolis. So wind. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's a big one. Okay, let's go back here. Oh dang, we already got 11 tornado reports today so far. This will be a crazy night. We got mesoscales, we got storm reports. Let's go to storm reports real quick. Okay. No. Convective outlook, watches. What the hell is that? Just a little dinky little watch right there. I think that's Super Thunderstorm watch. Why are they issuing that? Hang on a second. Let's I gotta look at that. I'm gonna look at that real quick. Yeah. Roanoke. Okay, let's look at that. Yeah, nothing. Like nothing. Nothing. Everything's just gone. Literally. Okay. Back to the drawing board. Okay. It has officially entered the state of Indiana. The front of this whole line of storms has. And let me tell you. Let's see here. Okay. Yeah, we got. Okay. We have any more? No more tornado warnings to report on so far right now. I'd say the most of our general consensus area is going to be up here because if I get on, please be right on website. Thank you, Lord. Okay, if I get on this, oh yeah, that's a big one. This is going to be the whole line of them. Okay, it's going to extend from all the way. All right, it's going to extend all the way from up here and this up here, like all around this area. And it's going to head all the way up. So it's going to basically be this area, right? All right, so it's going to be all the way along here, right? This is the initial cell boundary. Now, what I want to emphasize on right now, right? I don't want you. What I want to emphasize on right now, right? Okay. Yeah. So it's going to break apart like right along here. Okay. That's where it's supposed to break apart at. Okay. And then, bruh, what are you doing? Then it's going to go straight like that. Then the biggest majority of everything is going to be down here in this area. Now it looks like we just got some more special marine warnings up here in this hour. All right. Special marine warnings, they're being issued all the way up here, which means, yeah. Which means that everything that we're going to get hit with tonight, it's going to be serious. Everything that's currently going on right now, and there are no new tornado warnings right now, but except for that one cell down here, which my guess is they will allow to expire. Yeah, they're going to allow that to expire soon. Like, There's no real point in keeping that tornado warning going because, yeah, they're letting that one expire. They're just going to let it expire. All right. Now, as for the rest of this whole evening, we got that one. We got that one. Okay. Sports Network. That's what I need to log on to. All right, and it looks like we just got a new special weather statement for winds of 50 miles per hour. Strong thunderstorms will impact southern Champaign and northeastern Douglas counties at 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:19 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar was tracking strong thunderstorms along the line extending from Seymour to near Ivedale. Ooh, it was east. Yeah. Okay, so everything that's going on right here, right now, Champaign, Urbana, you guys need to be in your safe spots. This is not going to be really as bad as what they were, but like it says here, these storms may intensify, so it could get really bad really quick. So stretch what I said earlier, get inside and stay near your basement, stay near your storm cellar, stay near closet, anywhere you could use during a tornado warning. That's where you want to be right now. All right? Because this whole issue going on right here, the fact that they're saying that these can intensify like that means that these things are coming into a very strong and convective environment that is very favorable for development of supercells and storms. So be on the lookout for that. Yeah, it looks like we've got a whole new slew of storm spotters on the road right now. Matter of fact, I'm on Spars Network as we speak. Let's see here. Spars. All right, let's see here. I think what I want is current activity, actually. Okay, yeah. Shut the fuck up. Okay, so everything is looking like it will try to spark something up within the next few hours. Like all signs are pointing towards once it gets to Indiana, there's a 50-50. There's going to be a 60-40% chance that it explodes. Like the cap's just going to try to keep it. It's like a soda bottle, right? You don't shake it up, it doesn't explode. It keeps all contents sealed. Everybody's safe, right? Now, if you shake the SOB up, and you try to open it, it's going to explode. That's how a cap and weather works also. Not shaking up soda bottle or can, safe. Shaking up soda bottle or can, watch out. Because what we don't want is for the cap to explode. Now, it looks like they did just extend the severe thunderstorm watch into portions of Indiana. So, Indiana, hang on, we're going to get onto this rare. But yeah. All right, so Indiana, I'm going to go for lane radar. That's a better one. All right, so Indiana, what I want you to do is if you're near Lafayette, Rensselaer, Crawfordsville, Greencastle, Terre Haute, all those places near the Indiana-Illinois border, I want you to go ahead and get prepared because you have half hour at most before everything starts ramping up, okay? You guys have about half hour. It's still humid as heck outside. That's going to be fuel for the fire, all right? And in this case, the fire is the storms.
That will fuel them in order to get supercells going really quick. Okay. All right. Doing a little background work right now. All right. So nothing new has really been issued, but I'm going to keep this on this screen right now while I do some artwork on my monitor. So that way, if anything else pops up, it's going to be in this main area anyways, either way we look at it. So I'm going to see it no matter what. Okay. We're still debating on that tornado watch, I see. The mesoscale discussion. They're not debating on it anymore, though. So my guess is they're probably going to issue a severe thunderstorm watch sometime later tonight. If I had to guess. Oh boy. Nothing new. Okay, so nothing new. We're going to have quite a bit of time. So I'm going to go to Outlook and we're a tornado. Okay, so tornado Outlook, we got everything up there, which they're already getting hit right now. That is, yeah, that's a pretty big one. Day 2. Okay, day 2. Okay, I don't want tornado. I want category. Where I'm at is at almost 2 out of 3 chance. Okay. All right. I'll build stick. Good. Day 1, Muncie. Yeah, we're in the hatch risk for that. Day 2, Muncie. We're still in the hatch risk for it. So when we're getting hit with my what? Hail. Day 1. Yeah. Okay. Day 2. Yeah. Months. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Well, we're just going to go back to the radar. We're not going to worry about that for now. We are going to worry about the day 2 probabilities tomorrow because that is day 2. Okay.
sorry you guys think I'm not watching. I am. There's just really not much to report on. Here, I got a better tab. Here we go. Here we go. They issued it. That's right on the edge of us. Hang on. We're going back. We're going back. We're going back. We're going back. Fucking knew it. I knew it. I predicted it. I said sometime later this hour. Sometime later. I said this right at night. Sometime later this hour or later tonight, they will issue a tornado watch. This is just a start. Okay, there we go. Commercial radio and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. And now look at the forecast for the Muncie area. West of tonight, mostly cloudy for midnight, then clearing. Scattered showers. Scattered thunderstorms for midnight, then isolated thunderstorms toward daybreak. Lows in the upper 60s. Southwest winds around 15 miles an hour. Diminishing to 5 to 10 miles an hour. All right, guys. So this was just issued for a lot of Indiana, precisely. For the Indiana counties: Carroll, Fountain, Howard, LaGrange, Miami, St. Joseph, Vermilion, White, Cass, Fulton, Huntington, LaPorte, Noble, Stark, Wabash, Whiteley, Elkhart, Grant, Caucasio, Marshall, Pulaski, Tippecanoe, and Warren counties in Indiana. The only reason National Weather Service came on for that one specifically is because it is near my area. So what I want everyone to do right now is don't be scared, get prepared pretty quickly, because it's pretty obvious. These storms, once they get into Indiana, they are going to take the off. It's not going to stop until, like they said, 3 a.m. Now, Muncie, on the other hand, us right here, in Hartford City. Yeah, okay. All we want to do is we want to watch out and wait. That's what we have to do right now, is wait. Very patiently, just wait. Taking a look at your 3 to 7 days forecast for the Muncie area. Saturday night, mostly clear. Lows in the lower 50s. West winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Gusts up to 20 miles an hour for midnight. Check and see if there's any more tornado watches or anything. Sunday night, mostly clear through midnight. Becoming partly cloudy. THR. Lows around 50. For Monday, partly cloudy. We'll do no WTHR for now. Tornado watch has been issued on Sea-Lot in Indiana. Cool. Okay. I'm going to switch it back to this tab now. Just keep an eye on it. Just keeping an eye on it. That's all we can do at this point, guys, is just keep an eye on it. Because these storms are going to be here a while. Okay, looks like we just got issued. Looks like a new severe thunderstorm warning was just issued for Sydney, Homer, Fairmount, Oakwood, Danville. Oh, this is around the state line too. Westville, George Line, and Indiana and Jamaica counties in Illinois. Now, since the radar is not that good, damn it, I'm going to switch over to Illinois, and wow, okay, that's a good one. Okay, let's look at the velocity on that thing. Ooh, that looks fine. Let's look at get down here. Get it. We have a 8:33 p.m. It's frequent storm scale. We're followed near moving east at 55 miles per 55 miles per hour. I'm sorry. Did you say 55 miles per hour? Shoot. Okay. Severe weather. That's where you watch. Okay. So. Yeah, no. Okay. So. Looks like while severe thunderstorm wind gust has been reported, it also looks like they won't really be doing much besides just issuing that warning. If anything else pops up, though, I will let you know. But as for right now, yeah, not much else is going on across the map. God dang, they upgraded. Tomorrow's gonna be bad for storms. Sheesh. Just outside Indiana, at Chicago, a thunderstorm was reported with a temperature of 79. In Lima, Ohio, it was clear with a temperature of 79. It was mostly cloudy with a temperature of 81 in Champaign, Illinois, and 81 in Dayton. It was cloudy with a temperature of 70 at Cincinnati and 82 in Louisville. Once again, in Muncie, it was 81 degrees with partly cloudy skies. This is Color All Hazards Radio KG 193 in Muncie. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 257, effective until 3 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Friday. This watch includes the following counties: Grant, Indiana. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather. Just waiting on everything to slowly go to hell, which it will pretty soon. There we go. I get how it's supposed to be sunny as heck out tomorrow, but that is definite fuel for the fire because that's definite fuel for the fire. Tomorrow, pretty sure it's supposed to be around 80, or actually it is supposed to be 80. With heat index, it's going to be cranked up. I say that cranked up to like 15. So 80 mile per hour, 80 degrees tomorrow. Hey Justin, so willingly, I'm going to go ahead and tell you. We going to turn this to a shit talking stream, pal. I know you see. I know you're on Snapchat too, pal. Yeah, don't, just don't. We'll do a YouTube roasting stream later, but for now, I need to focus. All right. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 25 miles an hour. Chance of rain 30%. Friday night, mostly cloudy with showers with thunderstorms likely through midnight.
I ain't joining the damn group chat right now. It ain't worth it. Plus, I'm too busy. Okay. Well, looks like a bunch of birds are in Indiana now. Those are birds. The birds. The birds are in Indiana. Eh. Justin, you're still on YouTube. No. I'm not answering your call. I won't. No. 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 Hell no. Take a hike, Jack. Cool. Go ahead. Nah, dog. Go ahead and leave the live stream real quick. You want to keep calling me on group chat instead of the actual chat that we have together, you know? Just, no. Go ahead and leave. Don't want to call me. You just want to call me with group chat? No. Good boy. What's up? What? What?
Yo. Subscribe to Slicer on YouTube.
Enough of that. Nice try, Justin. We ain't turning this to a channel about for you. We ain't doing that here. We don't do that here. Because that. Oh yeah, you, Justin, by the way, send me a screenshot of whatever you basically chatted about in chat, please. I actually want to see it. I want to see what damage you did. Nah, keep the live stream going, gang. Keep it up on your laptop, right? All right. Looks like we have a new severe thunderstorm warning for Portage. Well, actually, that's been ongoing for a little while. Now I think of it. Yeah, 31 minutes. I gotta get a better look at it. Hang on. Cool. No, tornado possible. Well, this is something we do have to look at, though. Issued 13 minutes ago. The severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for Porter and Lake counties. At 8:30, its severe thunderstorm was located over Ogden Dunes or over Portage, moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. Hazard 70 mile per hour wind gusts and course high hail. Train West reported 74 mile per hour wind gusts of east of Peotone. Locations dispatched include Dyer Lake Station, Chesterton, Cedar Lake, Winfield, Valsporo. Yeah, I'm not even going to go there. No, Gary is in it. Maybe it'll cleanse it. Anyways, on this, there's a tornado possible tag, which means that a tornado is possible and can drop at any given moment. So every one of these counties, get in shelter now. I don't give a crap what anyone says. Get in your safe spots now. This is a closer vantage point. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Okay, yeah, that. Y'all need to be on your best behaviors now for that. But until then, let's keep it going. thunderstorms. No, so they let that. Looks like they let that special air salmon go. That's good. And we got a new special marine warning. See it. For only areas, yeah. Severe thunderstorm. Like I said earlier, this whole area, there's going to be two main areas, right? This area. Justin, I am not answering your call right now, bro. I am going in depth. And we are also this area. Now these two are going to split apart, right? Okay. And they are going to head in this direction. They will actually split apart right around here, right around Napanee, and they will continue going forward across the state. Now, it looks like this whole area will, in fact, the humidity in this area will be so strong that it will actually create more updraft and will provide fuel for the fire. Now, will this fuel last very long? I doubt it, but considering it's supposed to hit after midnight, it's not going to last very long, admittedly. Now, storms tomorrow night, those are going to be more severe, and I will be going live no matter what, so be prepared for that. But until then, let's keep it going. Let's keep coverage going. Justin, what the hell do you want? Just text me. What do you want? I also should have told you about the stream anyway, but whatever. Yeah, that's what I thought. Anyways, moving on. Justin, text me what the fuck you want. I'm not going to answer your call on a stream again. Considering last time I did that, you started blabbering your mouth on and on about your own damn channel. Look that ass. Yeah, well, text me, Justin. It's better that way, pal. What? So, Mister, I have my stream pulled up on your whatever you're watching it on. The yellow is current watches. Basically, the yellow is current tornado watches. No, it's not. No, we're not, but we will be soon. Yes, we are. Don't say that yet. What's green mean? The green is rain. Go ahead and say it. Keep streaming. What? It could. Yeah, they're going to. Pacers in 5.
Conference finals.
Who they play? It's the Celtics or whoever.
Yeah.
Or whoever wins the Nuggets. Because OKC and the Nuggets are west of Phoenix. Yeah, I know basketball. I know how this works. If you put Warriors over, you'd be a bad podcast.
The National Weather Service has issued tornado watch number 257, effective until 3 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Friday. This watch includes the following counties: Grant, Indiana. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds.
Enough of that.
The watch area.
Piss me off.
While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. And now a look at the forecast for the Muncie area. West of tonight, mostly cloudy through midnight, then clearing. Scattered showers. Scattered thunderstorms through midnight, then isolated thunderstorms toward daybreak. Lows in the upper 60s. Southwest winds around 15 miles an hour, diminishing to 5 to 10 miles an hour toward daybreak. Chance of rain 50%. For Friday, sunny in the morning, then partly cloudy with scattered showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the low
Okay, so from my sources, SC Skins, Indiana, the rest for tornadoes, wind, and hail. Hail's the highest. Wind and tornadoes varies, but tornadoes is still above a medium risk. So keep watch out for that tonight.
Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 25 miles an hour. Chance of rain 90%.
My sources, they're good sources, so don't question it.
Partly cloudy. Not as warm with highs around 70. West winds 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour. Once again, the forecast for rest of tonight. Mostly cloudy through midnight, then clearing. Scattered showers. Scattered thunderstorms through midnight. Then
All right,
isolated thunderstorms toward daybreak.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to
Southwest winds around 15 miles an hour, diminishing to 5 to 10 miles an hour toward daybreak. Chance of rain 50%.
what else does I do? Something's going to
Taking
pop
a
up.
look at your 3 to 7 day forecast for the Muncie area. Saturday night, mostly clear. Lows in the low 50s. West winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Gusts up to 20 miles an hour through midnight. For Sunday, mostly sunny. Highs in the lower 70s. Sunday night, mostly clear through midnight, then becoming partly cloudy. Lows around 50. For Monday, partly cloudy with a 20% chance of showers. Highs in the lower 70s. Monday night, partly cloudy with a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms through midnight, then mostly cloudy with a chance of showers toward daybreak. Lows in the lower 50s. Chance of rain 40%. For Tuesday, showers likely. Highs in the upper 60s.
It looks like they allowed the tornado warning for the severe thunderstorm warning for Urbana and Danville, Illinois to expire, but it looks like we just got a couple new severe thunderstorm warnings for the area near Niles and Elkhart, near Niles and Edwardsburg in Michigan. Now, this is a severe damage that is very considerable on this one, so that's what we want to watch out for, because this could go from considerable to destructive really quickly. Now, admittedly, is there tornado watch out for this area? Yes, but also that could also go for a destructive severe thunderstorm, because destructive severe thunderstorms have the same damaging capabilities as an EF1 or low end EF2 tornado. So that's what we want to watch out for also.
Calls for temperatures to be below normal and precipitation to be near normal. normalized for the period of
Dang. They issued that Marshall Jackson and Kalamazoo and Lansing, Michigan. Y'all just got put under new tornado watch. So they're going ahead and issuing that. Now, as these storms out here get more grouped together and more clustered, my guess is that they are more than likely going to go ahead and issue that tornado warning, that tornado watch more out this way. So all these counties, these will be put under the new tornado watch, as well as Richmond and Greenville, Richmond, Indiana, and Greenville, Ohio. Now, do I want to be wrong? Yes. All storm chasers, all weather reporters, everyone, no matter what, they always want to be wrong. We always want to be wrong about that assumption. But are we always wrong? Never. That's the sad part. Mother Nature always has other plans, especially in the spring where she's moody and violent.
It was partly cloudy. The temperature was 81 degrees, wind 2.69, and the relative humidity 67%. The wind was south at 15 miles an hour.
So now pan out. Keep it like that for now.
The pressure was 29.60 inches and falling. Nearby, in Marion, it was partly cloudy with a temperature of 80. It was mostly cloudy with a temperature of 79.
I can't play music because most music I know is copyrighted. So
In Shelbyville. At Indianapolis, it was cloudy with a temperature of 80. Elsewhere across Indiana, it was partly cloudy with a temperature of 84 in South Bend, 80 in Fort Wayne, and 81 in Terre Haute. At Lafayette, it was mostly cloudy with a temperature of 83. It was cloudy with a temperature of 80 in Bloomington and 79 in Evansville. Just outside Indiana, at Chicago, a thunderstorm was reported with a temperature of 79. In Lamb, Ohio, it was clear with a temperature of 79. It was mostly cloudy with a temperature of 81 in Champaign, Illinois, and 81 in Dayton. It was cloudy with a temperature of 17 at Cincinnati and 82 in Louisville. Once again, in Muncie, it was 81 degrees with partly cloudy skies. This is North All Hazards Radio KK 193 in Muncie. The National Weather Service has issued tornado watch number 257, effective until 3 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Friday. This watch includes the following counties: Grant, Indiana. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later stable
Yeah, okay.
possible warnings.
that answered that one.
Stay tuned
Okay.
for weather radio.
So we just got a new severe thunderstorm warning issued 1 minute ago for looks like St. Joseph County in north central Indiana, LaPorte County in northwestern Indiana, and southwestern Barron County in southwestern Michigan until 11:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Guys, we officially made it to Eastern Daylight Time. That's only going to get worse from here. 9:56 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorms were located along the line sitting from near Westville to near Hebron, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard 60 mile, yeah. This is getting to be the real deal. Locations impacted include South Bend, Mishawaka, Michigan State, LaPorte, Westville, Trail Creek, Boulevard Park, Granger, Ocala, North Liberty, New Carlisle, Kingsford Heights, Long Beach, Wanata, Lakeville, Roseland, Potawatomi Park, Hana, Michiana Shores, and Grand Beach. Okay. A tornado watch remains in effect until 3 a.m. Okay. Matt's hail threat radar indicated. Matt's hail size 1 inch. Wind threat radar indicated. Matt's wind gust 60 miles per hour. Okay. So we still want to be in our shelters for this severe thunderstorm.
For Saturday, mostly sunny in the morning, then becoming partly cloudy. That is warm with highs around 70. West winds 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour. Once again, the forecast for rest of tonight. Mostly cloudy through midnight, then clearing. Scattered showers. Scattered thunderstorms through midnight, then isolated thunderstorms toward daytime. your 3 through 7 day forecast for the Muncie area. Saturday night, mostly clear. Lows in the low 50s. West winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Gusts up to 20 miles an hour through midnight. For Sunday, mostly sunny. Highs in the lower 70s. Sunday night, mostly clear through midnight, then becoming partly cloudy. Lows around 50. For Monday, partly cloudy with a 20% chance of showers. Highs in the lower 70s. Monday night, partly cloudy with a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms through midnight, then mostly cloudy with a chance of showers toward daybreak. Lows in the lower 60s. Chance of rain 40%. For Tuesday, showers likely. Highs in the upper 60s. Chance of rain 60%. Tuesday night, showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms through midnight. Then showers with a slight chance of thunderstorms toward daybreak. Lows in the mid-50s. Chance of rain 80%. For Wednesday, a slight chance of thunderstorms. Showers. Highs in the mid-60s. Chance of rain 80%. Wednesday night, mostly cloudy. A chance of showers and thunderstorms
Yep.
through midnight.
Huh?
Then a slight chance of
Yeah,
showers and
new mesoscale. I'll be damned.
Lows in the
Really?
low 50s.
Save it.
Chance of
Bro,
rain
it took them
50%.
so long to issue the one for this whole area that at this point, the one that they issued up here, that's not going to come to pass until it's too late for it to come to pass.
The 8 to 14 day outlook for Friday, May 23rd through Thursday, May 29th calls for temperatures to be below normal and precipitation to be near normal. Normal highs for the period are around 75 degrees and normal lows are around 55. The normal precipitation total for the 7 days is between 1.10 and 1.15 inches. At 9 p.m. in Muncie, it was partly cloudy. The temperature was 81 degrees with dew point 69 and the relative humidity 67%. The wind was south at 13 miles an hour, gusting to 26. The barometric pressure was 29.60 inches and falling. Nearby, in Marion, it was partly cloudy with a temperature of 80. It was mostly cloudy with a temperature of 79 at Anderson, 73 in Richmond, and 82 at Shelbyville. At Indianapolis, it was cloudy with a temperature of 80. Elsewhere across Indiana, it was partly cloudy with a temperature of 84 in South Bend, 80 at Fort Wayne, and 81 in Terre Haute. At Lafayette, it was mostly cloudy with a temperature of 83. It was cloudy with a temperature of 80 at Bloomington and 79 at Evansville. Just outside Indiana, at Chicago, a thunderstorm was reported with a temperature of 79. In Lima, Ohio, it was clear with a temperature of 79. It was mostly cloudy with a temperature of 81 in Champaign, Illinois, and 81 in Dayton. It was cloudy with a temperature of 17 at Cincinnati and 82 in Louisville. Once again, in Muncie, it was 81 degrees with partly cloudy skies. This is North All Hazards Radio KG193.
Check your Facebook, guys.
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 257, effective until 3 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Friday. This watch includes the following counties: Grant, Indiana. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for leaders' statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Radio, commercial radio, and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Go take a look outside, y'all.
And now a look at the forecast for the Muncie area. West of tonight, mostly cloudy through midnight, then clearing. Scattered showers. Scattered thunderstorms through midnight, then isolated thunderstorms toward daybreak. Lows in the upper 60s. Southwest winds around 15 miles an hour, diminishing to 5 to 10 miles an hour toward daybreak. Chance of rain 50%. For Friday, sunny in the morning, then partly cloudy with scattered showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. highs in the low 80s. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 25 miles an hour. Chance of rain 30%. Friday night. Mostly cloudy with showers and thunderstorms likely through midnight. And mostly clear toward daybreak.
All right, so let's go back from going outside for a minute. What we don't want is what's from going outside. It's clear as day, and it is humid. Now, this is going to be fuel for the nighttime nocturnal QLCS, quasi-linear cell, whatever you want to call it, structure, quasi-linear cell structure. That's going to be going on through here tonight. Everything all around here. This is the best chance for quasi-linear cell structure. What I mean by that is embedded supercells and embedded tornadoes. Now, will these tornadoes be strong? I don't think so. Not as strong as you may think. Now, tomorrow, if the humidity keeps what it's going at right now, which tonight's low temperature is supposed to be 68, which means that, yes, it will inevitably be like this again tomorrow. If it stays clear, it's going to be clear as day tomorrow. It's also going to be humid, very humid, which means the fuel for the fire, the cap will most likely break tomorrow. Now, there's the people that are smarter than me about this stuff is still saying that there's a 50-50 chance that it won't break. I'm saying there's a sissy almost or 30% chance it will break no matter what, because humidity levels are too high right now. That's just going to add fuel to the fire. It's going to make them rise more, and once they break that cap, everything's going to go. It's going to go downhill. It's going to go downhill fast. And that's what we don't want. Leaving the screen on, and I am using the restroom. I'll be right back.
For Tuesday, showers likely. Chance of rain 60%. Tuesday night, showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms through midnight. Those showers with a slight chance of thunderstorms toward daybreak. Lows in the mid-60s. Chance of rain 80%. For Wednesday, a slight chance of thunderstorms. Showers. Highs in the mid-60s. Chance of rain 80%. Wednesday night, mostly cloudy. A chance of showers and thunderstorms through midnight. And a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms toward daybreak. Lows in the lower 50s. Chance of rain 50%. For Thursday, partly cloudy with a chance of showers and a slight chance of thunderstorms. Highs in the mid-60s. Chance of rain 20%. 15 to 40 outlook for Friday, May 23rd through Thursday, May 29th. Calls for temperatures to be below normal and precipitation to be near normal. Normal highs for the period are around 75 degrees, and normal lows are around 55. The normal precipitation level for the 7 days is between 1.10 and 1.13 meters. In Tennessee, it was partly cloudy. The temperature was 81 degrees.
Yeah, I got fear of nothing. It's going to wait till later tonight, then it's really going to blow shit.
The barometric pressure was 28.60 inches and falling. Nearby, in Marion, it was partly cloudy with a temperature of 80. It was mostly cloudy with a temperature of 79 in Anderson.
I'll try and move this, but there's no real way for me to move it.
Was cloudy with a temperature of 80. Elsewhere across Indiana,
Camp settings, stop stream percent invite. There's no way for me to move it. That'll, maybe there is. Option high def. Okay. Oh, we can definitely switch to that. That will help. So that remarkably. Yeah.
thunderstorms reported with a temperature of 79. Atlanta, Ohio, it was clear with a temperature of 79. It was mostly cloudy with a temperature of
Want that. This. There we go. Okay.
cloudy with a temperature of 70 at Cincinnati.
Journal. Landscape portrait. Fuck you. Here start. Want that. Okay. Now. Okay, there we go. As for this, it's a full screen. this camera? Somewhere on the screen. Yeah, Brandon. Yeah, Brandon. Yeah, we'll play that game. Anyways, done.
Southwest winds around 15 miles an hour. Eventually, 5 to 10 miles an hour toward Newbridge. Chance of rain 50%. For Friday, sunny in the morning.
Okay, let's see here. Bears.
Highs in the low 80s. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Up to 25 miles an hour.
Yeah, go back to full screen, I guess. Yeah. Okay. We're not worried about that now.
Thunderstorms likely through the night. And most of the toward Newbridge. Lows around 60. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 25 miles an hour. Chance of rain 90%. For Saturday, mostly sunny in the morning and becoming partly cloudy. Night warm with highs around 70. West winds 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour. Once again, the forecast for the rest of tonight. Mostly cloudy through the night, then clearing. Scattered showers. Scattered thunderstorms through the night, then isolated thunderstorms toward Newbridge. Lows in the upper 60s. Southwest winds around 15 miles an hour, diminishing to 5 to 10 miles an hour toward Newbridge. Chance of rain 50%. Taking a look at your 3 to 7 day forecast for North America. Saturday night, mostly clear. Lows in the lower 50s. West winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Gusts up to 20 miles an hour through the night. For Sunday, mostly sunny. Highs in the lower 70s. Sunday night, mostly clear with early night, then becoming partly cloudy. Lows around 50.
Okay, we don't want that high pitch. We don't want that.
Highs in the lower 70s. Friday night, partly cloudy with a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms through the night. Then mostly cloudy with a chance of showers for Newbridge. Lows in the lower 60s.
Yes, tornado watch is still off in Cass County.
For Tuesday,
The weather
showers likely.
analysis at the news stations are saying that this will more than likely pass by us.
Showers likely.
Damn it. So, like, it won't be severe, but I beg to differ. Let's be complicated with the National Weather Service, shall we? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, those were birds, weren't they? Yeah, those were birds. Okay. What you mean, brother? What you mean, brother? Yeah. Let's keep it at that for now.
Calls for temperatures to be below normal and precipitation to be near normal. Normalized for the period are around 75 degrees and normal lows are around 55. The normal precipitation total for the 7 days is between 1.10 and 1.15 inches. Attention, in Marcy, it was mostly cloudy. The temperature was 80 degrees, with 2.69, and the relative humidity 69%. The wind was out at 18 miles an hour, gusting to 5 miles. The barometric pressure was 29.60 inches and steady. Nearby, it was mostly cloudy, with a temperature of 77 in Henderson, 78 at Marion, 80 at Shelbyville. With a temperature of elsewhere across Indiana, a top end, Sunday was reported with a temperature of 20. mostly cloudy with a temperature of
Some music, guys. Keep vibes going. Yeah. It's like county in Michigan's governor tornado warning. And it is. There it is. Okay. 7 minutes ago. This is 7 minutes ago. Okay. Where is shoot? Yes, this is right there. Square choices. Yes. All right, y'all. I'm going to turn off my webcam temporarily. And I'm going to connect that. about a little chemistry. So, that was an idiotic move on my part, y'all. That's my bad. I just want to come back on here and share this real quick. So what the weather channel is saying is possible for my area tonight. 322. Crazy. Crazy.
clearing. Scattered showers. Scattered thunderstorms through midnight. Then isolated thunderstorms toward daybreak. Lows in the upper 60s. Southwest winds around 15 miles an hour, diminishing to 5 to 10 miles an hour toward daybreak. Chance of rain 50%. For Friday, sunny in the morning, then partly cloudy with scattered showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the low 80s. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 25 miles an hour. Chance of rain 30%. Friday night, mostly cloudy with showers with thunderstorms likely through midnight, then mostly clear toward daybreak. Lows around 60. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 25 miles an hour. Chance of rain 90%. For Saturday, mostly sunny in the morning, then becoming partly cloudy. That is warm with highs around 70. West winds 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour. Once again, the forecast for the rest of tonight. Mostly cloudy through midnight, then clearing. Scattered showers. Scattered thunderstorms through midnight, then isolated thunderstorms toward daybreak. Lows in the upper 60s. Southwest winds around 15 miles an hour, diminishing to 5 to 10 miles an hour toward daybreak. Chance of rain 50%. Taking a look at your 3 through 7 day forecast for the Muncie area. Saturday night, mostly clear. Lows in the lower 50s. West winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Gusts up to 20 miles an hour through midnight. For Sunday, mostly sunny. Highs in the lower 70s. Sunday night, mostly clear through midnight, then becoming partly cloudy. Lows around 50. For Monday, partly cloudy with a 20% chance of showers. Highs in the lower 70s. Monday night, partly cloudy with a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms through midnight, then mostly cloudy with a chance of showers toward daybreak. Lows in the lower 50s. Chance of rain 20%. For Tuesday, showers likely. Highs in the upper 60s. Chance of rain 60%. Tuesday night, showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms through midnight, then showers with a slight chance of thunderstorms toward daybreak. Lows in the mid-60s. Chance of rain 80%. For Wednesday, a slight chance of thunderstorms. Showers. Highs in the mid-60s. Chance of rain 80%. Wednesday night, mostly cloudy. A chance of showers and thunderstorms through midnight. Then a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms toward daybreak. Lows in the lower 50s. Chance of rain 50%. For Thursday, partly cloudy with a chance of showers with a slight chance of thunderstorms. Highs in the mid-60s. Chance of rain 40%. The 8 to 14 day outlook for Friday, May 23rd through Thursday, May 29th calls for temperatures to be below normal and precipitation to be near normal. Normal highs for the period are around 75 degrees and normal lows are around 55. The normal precipitation total for the 7 days is between 1.10.
So update on the
at 10 p.m.
tornado watch that I said was going to be issued earlier, sometime tonight. My guess is the National Weather Service is currently toying with the idea, like not necessarily toying, but they're toying with the idea because they're waiting for these cells, right along this area, to officially converge or rather cluster together into one massive supercellular HeloCS. So that's what they're waiting on right now. I got pulled up on my monitor. I'm going to keep the streaming mainly to this screen right now, and we'll go from there.
Just outside Indiana, in Lima, Ohio, it was partly cloudy with a temperature of 78. It was mostly cloudy with a temperature of 81 in Chicago and 79 in Denver. It was cloudy Arizona All Hazards Radio KG-193 in Muncie. Tornado watch number 257 remains in effect until 3 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Friday for the following counties: Graham, Indiana. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later signals and possible warnings. Stay tuned to your weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for central Indiana. For the period tonight, isolated to scattered thunderstorms are possible overnight. Gusty winds, small hail, lightning, and locally heavy rainfall are possible. Heavy downpours and lightning will be threats from any storm. Storm motion will be to the east-northeast at 40 to 60 miles per hour. And now the extended outlook for the period Friday through Wednesday. Scattered to numerous strong to severe thunderstorms are expected Friday afternoon and evening. All modes of severe weather are possible. Heavy downpours and lightning will be threats from any storm. Additional thunderstorms are possible next Monday through Wednesday. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation is needed through the early overnight, and then it's possible again Friday afternoon and evening. And now we'll look at the forecast for the Muncie area. West of tonight, mostly cloudy through midnight, then clearing. Scattered showers. Scattered thunderstorms through midnight, then isolated thunderstorms toward daybreak. Lows in the upper 60s. Southwest winds around 15 miles an hour, diminishing to 5 to 10 miles an hour toward daybreak. Chance of rain 50%. For Friday, sunny in the morning, then partly cloudy with scattered showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the low 80s. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 25 miles an hour. Chance of rain 30%. Friday night, mostly cloudy with showers and thunderstorms likely through midnight, and mostly clear toward daybreak. Lows around 60. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 25 miles an hour. Chance of rain 90%. For Saturday, mostly sunny in the morning, then becoming partly cloudy. That is warm with highs around 70. West winds 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour. Once again, the forecast for the rest of tonight. Mostly cloudy through midnight, then clearing. Scattered showers. Scattered thunderstorms through midnight, then isolated thunderstorms toward daybreak. Lows in the upper 60s. Southwest winds around 15 miles an hour, diminishing to 5 to 10 miles an hour toward daybreak. Chance of rain 50%. Taking a look at your 3 through 7 day forecast for the Muncie area. Saturday night, mostly clear. Lows in the lower 60s. West winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Gusts up to 20 miles an hour through midnight. For Sunday, mostly sunny. Highs in the lower 70s. Sunday night, mostly clear through midnight, then becoming partly cloudy. Lows around 50. For Monday, partly cloudy with a 20%.
All right, so my final update. It does look as though as if the areas here, this is going to continue on its current track. Now everything below here, it's not, which means that Muncie, you guys were spared of anything. My camera's lagging like a motherfucker. Yeah, I need to stop. Okay, I need to stop watching. Okay, so which means that basically Muncie got spared, right? Everything, this whole area is getting spared as we speak. 1 a.m. we ain't getting hit for shit. Like, that's not happening. Like, I will literally pull it up right now. Hang on. Muncie, Indiana. Hourly. Yeah, so it's not even supposed to storm. Now tomorrow night it is, admittedly, but we're still under a severe storm risk until tomorrow morning. So But I'm not really that all concerned about it because it looks like on radar everything's clearing up pretty well except for up north. So Fort Wayne, you guys just need to watch out for the rest of the night. I am. This is Z98. I thank you all for joining, and I will see you all next time. Peace.